Another way to make any Pilates class more challenging is to add a layer called squaring the box. Now, it's really more of a rectangle than a box, but what it means is this. If you take a person, and you place 4 points on their body, so shoulder, shoulder, hip, hip, and then you connect those 4 points, creating a box or a rectangle, whatever image works, but you create this shape. And then you try to keep that shape intact, regardless of what exercise you're doing. So you could be moving your arms and your legs, but this box stays a box and it stays the same size box throughout the entire class, which then means your shoulder can't lift up, your hip can't do weird things. That box needs to stay a box. So whether you're lying on your back, moving around, or your side, or your belly, that box stays a box. Also, if one leg is moving, the other one isn't, it's still a box. It hasn't changed into some other weird shape. It's still a box. If one arm's doing something different, it's still a box. So your shoulders don't lift, your hips don't lift, they stay in one shape the entire class. It's harder than you think, and it really does add a layer of complexity to every exercise and to the entire class.